NASA has just confirmed a massive asteroid is on a collision course with Earth? Could this be the one? Could this be our worst nightmare coming true? For years, we've watched the skies, hoping that doomsday scenarios were just science fiction. But now, a shocking claim is circulating online. NASA allegedly revealed that an asteroid has a 1 in 400 chance of striking Earth. Is this really happening? Is our planet at risk? Let's break it all down. On March 7, 2023, NASA Asteroid Watch confirmed that they are tracking a newly discovered asteroid 2023 DW. And here's where it gets terrifying: this space rock is projected to make a very close approach to Earth in 2046. So, what does this mean? Should we be worried? The social media frenzy suggests that NASA has calculated a 1 in 400 chance of impact, and if that's true, it would be the highest probability we've ever seen for an asteroid strike in our lifetime. But before we panic, let's separate fact from fear. While it's true that NASA is tracking 2023 DW, the claim that they officially confirmed a 1 in 400 impact probability is misleading. What NASA has said is that this asteroid is under observation, and the chances of a collision remain extremely small. Even if this asteroid were on a path toward Earth, NASA's planetary defense system would be working around the clock to find ways to deflect it, just like their successful DART mission, which proved we can change an asteroid's course. Let's be real, Hollywood has filled our minds with terrifying asteroid disaster movies. But how likely is this doomsday scenario in real life? According to NASA, for an asteroid to pose a global threat, it would have to be at least 0.6 miles wide. 2023 DW? It's roughly 50 meters across. While that could cause significant regional damage, it's not an Earth-destroying impact. In reality, Earth has been hit by asteroids countless times before, and we have advanced technology to monitor potential threats. The bottom line? We should stay informed.